Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make hard reset on your earbuds Master Dynamic MW07. So you have to start by press and hold this multifunctional button on your right earbud to enter prank mode. Now we can see this LED light, so it means that it's entered to prank mode, and after that press and hold multifunctional button until you can see that this LED light is start to flash really quick, like I had right now. After that we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that we should see it as the device list. Yeah, so just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!